So now you can hear the chugger pump running. This is normal. You can test the motor by pulling the head off. There's no problems here. This is the fan blade, all normal sounding. What could happen as a troubleshooting guide is this back fan blade, which you can see spinning here, could actually hit the rear housing. It's a malleable aluminum and it will make a clicking noise. So the fan blade is going to hit the rear housing. Also, it's not a disaster. It's easily fixed. Don't think your pump's going to be ruined. We warranty it. But it's an easily fixable situation. Also could happen during shipping. Something got in there, moved one of these fan blades. It's going to sound like this. A clicking sound like that, either very loud like this one is, or very light, which was barely hitting. So basically all you do is look at the fan blade, which is going to be hard to see in this video, and see which one is actually pushing towards the back. You'll see them bent, and just kind of push them in with a screwdriver, just a little, each one. So after you adjust that blade there, and you can actually find it by turning the magnet with your finger, and you'll hear it or see it hitting. Once you bend that in real easily with a screwdriver, you're back in business. So it's not a big concern. You'll see the fan's really tight, it's not hitting. So it's a very easy fix for a fan blade hitting. Now, if you choose to return it, you can return it to your distributor and we'll go through the warranty process, but the easiest way is to do this, and it's not going to void your warranty that you bend a blade in a little bit. Very easy way to fix a pump.